until 4:30
Another
early
one.
this morning. What urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected?
Another flood
Where
warning.
a portion of southern Connecticut, including the following counties: Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London.
Connecticut.
When, until 4:30 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, low-lying roadways, and other flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring.
Wow, again.
Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from rainfall.
Ooh.
Additional details at 12:39 a.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms.
Thunderstorm.
Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Wow.
Additional rainfall
Crazy.
amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jewett City, Bridgeport, New Haven, Waterbury, Norwalk, Meriden, Milford, Middletown, Wallingford, Norwich, Shelton, Naugatuck, New London, Guilford, Walcott, Colchester, Clinton, East Hampton, Groton, and Old Saybrook. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Here is the forecast for the New York City metropolitan area.